Hi everyone, my name is Craig Golightly and welcome to my course, Designing for Complexity on AWS. I am a senior software consultant. Figuring out how you're going to use AWS to implement your solutions can quickly turn into a complicated mess if you're not leveraging some key tools and best practices to manage organizational complexity. In this course, whether you're just getting started or trying to unravel an existing implementation, we're going to cover how you can design for complexity on AWS using the proper tools so that your organization can have the capacity, security, and availability you need. If you're studying for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional Exam, you're in the right place. Some of the major topics that we will cover include using AWS organizations, IAM users, groups, policies, and roles, federation and single sign-on, and cost optimization strategies. By the end of this course, you will be able to implement the best options for setting up a secure, compliant, and cost-effective AWS account structure for your organization and have a solid foundation for your exam preparations. Before beginning the course, you should have a basic understanding of AWS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about managing AWS for your organization with the Designing for Complexity on AWS course at Pluralsight.